An uncomfortable motorcycle seat on a long ride is literally a pain in the backside. Hello and welcome back to my channel UD Safanama guys. After I bought my Interceptor 650 Twin, I discovered the bike's Achilles heel was the seat. While the Interceptor Twin seat was fine for city commutes on longer rides, it had me squirming after the first 100 km. Just as I was exploring different options to make my ride more comfortable, we got the FEGO float seat for review. So did it solve my problem? Here's my impression. As you can see, the FEGO seat is made of leather and mesh underneath. It is an inflatable rubber membrane that you blow up. And it is this pocket of air that provides you the cushioning. No, you don't need an air pump. Your lungs are good enough for the job. The FEGO stays to your seat by two straps that run under your seat. और अगर आपको ये पसंद आए प्रोडक्ट, इफ़ यू वांट टू बाय इट, डिस्क्रिप्शन में आपको लिंक मिल जाएगी अमेज़ॉन की. एंड आई मस्ट से अबाउट द प्राइस दैट इट मे डिफर, क्योंकि ऑनलाइन है, हो सकता है प्राइस अप एंड डाउन मिले, बट इट विल कम अंडर 2,999 प्राइस. And luckily for me, all that I need to remove my Interceptor seat are the keys, so attaching the FEGO was a 5-minute job. The seat is not bad looking, but to me it didn't look right on the twin bike. Maybe it looked better on the other Tiger or other Enfield or Thunderbird, but to be fair, the seat is designed to make your ride more comfortable, not to make you look like Tom Cruise. The first few hours on the FEGO take a little bit of getting used to it. If seat height is of concern to you, remember it will add a few millimeters to your stock seat height, but once you are used to it, it does help you to put more riding distance before you need to make a stop. One big disadvantage is that the seat can be stolen if you leave it on the bike. You can easily unclip and carry it, but then that's another thing to carry. And the rest I will show you in my video, that how you can adjust into your stock seat. So stay tuned with the video guys.
Devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand on the trigger. The devil in a red dress, call 911, I'm a killer. You know I hate to confess. Bang bang, got my hand, call know I hate to confess. Bang, bang.
चलो इसको अब दिखाते हैं लगने के बाद ये कैसी दिखती है। वैसे मैंने इसके अभी हवा निकाल दिया है इसकी, बट स्टिल आपको सिर्फ दिखाने के लिए दिस इज़ दैट क्लिप जिसके थ्रू आप अटैच कर सकते हो अपने स्टॉक सीट पे, और जब आपको लॉन्ग राइड पे जाना हो तभी अटैच करो। वैसे आप इसको रिमूव करके आराम से रख सकते हो घर पे। जब आपको कहीं लंबे राइड पे जाना हो तब आप इसको अटैच करके अपने स्टॉक सीट से लगा सकते हो। इतनी बुरी भी नहीं दिख रही एज यू कैन सी, ठीक है। अगर आपको अपनी कंफर्टेबिलिटी चाहिए लॉन्ग राइड्स पे तो ये ज़रूरी है। आफ्टर यूजिंग फॉर फ्यू राइड्स आई मस्ट से, ठीक है, लॉन्ग रन के लिए नहीं है बट इट्स ओके। ऐसी दिखेगी कुछ कुछ लगने के बाद, विच इज़ क्वाइट गुड, नॉट दैट बैड।